Alright, where are we heading?
Best Buy.
Alright.
Grandma City. You got the location?
Okay, I think I know where I'm going, but might be wrong. Might mess it up. I'm getting so burnt. Hey, be really slow. Alright, so we gotta turn around and start heading this way.
Take the next right onto Joan Avenue.
Okay. My eyes are dripping sweat.
Continue on Joan Avenue for 3/4 of a mile.
I feel like I'm 21 Savage. I pull up and fuck on your daughter. I drip in your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. I feel like I'm 21 Savage.
Continue on Florida 30 East for 4 miles.
That's neutral. How do I even get in neutral? I can't get on purpose.
Water. I drip in your
Bitch like water.
I splash on your
Bitch like water. Water on my bitch. Like a cell phone. Alright, so we're gonna cross the river, give a little sight for you guys to see.
Wrap your bitch up like some headphones.
He's not comfortable riding real close. And it's like I don't want to take off and he'd get lost, but I don't think he said the speed was a problem. He hasn't merged with traffic yet. You gotta speed up. Oh, these mirrors are phenomenal though. Perfect. These are so comfy, honestly. Road trips on these wouldn't be bad at all. My feet are just so rested. I'm sitting on a chair. That's all it feels like. So we're heading off to Best Buy, buy a couple of things. And it's like 25 minutes away from where our condo's at. We've only been on vacation for about I think it's our 3rd day. This guy's making a turn. Honestly, this thing don't seem like a race machine. I might be able to beat it on my Ninja. Now my Ninja 300 probably beat it in acceleration, but after like 60 miles per hour, this thing would take it. I don't know. I feel like this one runs way better at 60. But I don't know. I really don't know. This is like honestly looks pretty similar to where I'm from. It's just it's more palm trees. That's about it. Cemetery. By the stereo, oh my god, ooh, I'm in love. A little difficult to figure out, but I got the hang of it now. Finding a new religion on Yelp to come help me. Ran to the label itself, do not shelf me. In the middle with the beggars. Old man don't want it. He don't want none of it. He looked the other way. Why buy a Corvette or a fast car if you don't even use it? It's just a flex, that's it. It's on my phone, I'm just looking at the map. We're close. What? You don't let people cut in front of you. Scoot up, you know, don't let them push you around. That doesn't sound right. It's like a clicking sound.
Cold world.
Calm. Woo!
Get enough. They don't play them X games. Nope. Straight sex thing. No handcuff or arrest thing.
Your destination is on the left.
All right. What are you buying? Hopefully it's not too much.